Welcome to our Cosmo range review. Let's dive in. This is the trade table, where home improvement meets smart design. If you're shopping for a new kitchen range, Cosmo is one of the most talked about brands right now. Today, we're breaking down what real homeowners like, what they don't, and whether a Cosmo range is worth it for your kitchen. Cosmo is known for offering professional-style ranges at a lower price point than premium brands. They come in gas, dual fuel, and electric models, with sleek designs that fit modern and traditional kitchens. Most models feature stainless steel construction, heavy-duty cast-iron grates, and high-output burners. Cosmo gas ranges typically offer burners from 4,000 to 18,000 BTUs, giving you flexibility for simmering, boiling, and searing. The ovens heat evenly, and many models use convection technology to circulate hot air for faster, more consistent cooking. For the price range, Cosmo's heat output and oven performance are impressive compared to competitors. Cosmo ranges have a pro-style look with clean lines, metal knobs, and stainless finishes. The grates feel sturdy, the oven doors are well insulated, and controls are simple and intuitive. However, some users report that the stainless steel can scratch easily if not cleaned with proper products. Affordable compared to premium brands like Wolf or Viking. Excellent burner performance for the price, strong convection cooking in many models. Stylish design that elevates your kitchen. Occasional reports of fan noise on some convection models. Customer service can vary based on region. Stainless steel may require gentler cleaning to avoid marks. If you want the look and performance of a professional range without the premium price tag, Cosmo is a strong option. It's ideal for everyday cooks, home entertainers, and homeowners doing a stylish kitchen upgrade on a budget. To explore models and compare specs, visit thetradetable.com, your home for smarter appliance shopping.